Sometimes, some short hairstyles can quietly add years to your face, but the right shortcut can do the exact opposite. In this video, you will see 15 beautiful short hairstyles for women over 60 years of age that look fresher, softer, and more youthful. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to BG's Airwaves TV, where beauty meets confidence. Today, we are looking at 15 short hairstyles for women over 60 years of age that can help you look fresher, softer, and more youthful. Some short hairstyles can quietly add years to your look, but the right short style can do the exact opposite. It can brighten your face, soften your features, and make you look fresher, more confident, and more stylish. In this video, you will see beautiful short hairstyle transformations for women over 60 that prove you do not need long hair to look elegant and youthful. These looks are classy, flattering, easy to maintain, and perfect for women who want a fresh change without doing too much. The beauty of short hair is that it can frame the face better, add shape where it is needed, and create a softer, lifted appearance that feels modern and timeless at the same time. If you have been thinking about changing your hairstyle, this may be the inspiration you need because the right cut can make a big difference in how polished, refreshed, and how youthful you look. These short hairstyles are not just about fashion, they are about confidence, simplicity, and choosing a look that brings out your best features. Whether you love volume, softness, texture, or a neat, polished finish, short hair offers so many beautiful hair possibilities for women over 60. As you watch these transformations, notice how each style adds freshness and elegance in its own way. Sometimes the smallest hair change can create the biggest glow up. If you enjoy beautiful hairstyle ideas like this, make sure you like this video, subscribe to BJ's Airways TV, and let me know in the comments which transformation inspired you most. All props and credits in this video goes to our creative hairstylists who have given us the opportunity to showcase all these styles to the rest of the world. Kudos to them.
She